What's up, y'all? Let's do another homework page on section 7.3. I don't have the page right in front of me. I'm a little embarrassed right now. I should have looked it up. Oh, well. You should already have your books open there anyway. We just went over this stuff. So let's first look at number 40. Number 40. And number 40 says, describe with parent functions. Describe with reference to the parent function. So let's say the parent function, and this is given to you in the description. Y equals log base b of x, and transformations. The problem they give you for number 40 is log base 5 of x plus 1. Okay, so these are in the instructions. I abbreviated it, and this is the actual problem that they gave. I guess I should say y equals that. Okay, go ahead and try that out. Okay, alrighty, so the parent function is y equals log base b of x. Well, base b, the base here is 5, so your parent function is log base 5 of x. So you'd have this graph here, and then what's the transformation? You're going to move all the points based on what this tells you, plus 1 at the end, up 1. So the parent function is y equals log base 5 of x. The transformation is up 1. And I don't know if I said pause. I hope I did, or did something of that sort. All right, let's try number 62. Find the inverse. Okay, so look at the problem is y equals log base 0.5 of x. Now, if a logarithm is an inverse of an exponential, then the inverse of a logarithm is going to be, wait, did I say that right? The inverse of an exponential is logarithm, so the inverse of logarithm is going to be an exponential. So just put that in exponential form once you switch the x and the y. Go ahead and try it. I mean, so like the very first problems we did. Okay, so when you do an inverse, step 1 is to switch the x and the y. And then what in the world do I do here? This is crazy. Your base is 0.5. What it equals is your exponent. And then equals y. And we're done. It's y equals something. Y equals 0.5 to the x power. Okay, that's all there is to it. Find the inverse. I want to do one more, number 70. Number 70 says graph. And the function is y equals 2 log base 2 of x. Okay, so start by graphing the parent function and then do your transformation. Go ahead. Okay, first the parent function. Well, if you look in your notes, you have 2 points. You have the point 1, 0. And then you have the point B, 1. Well, B is 2. So you have the point 2, 1. So it goes down like that and like that. Let me do another color for my next step. Let me get to my green. Whoops, and that was the point 2, 1. And now you need to look at whatever your transformation is. So my transformation here is a vertical stretch of 2. So multiply all your y coordinates by 2. So this y coordinate, 0 times 2 is 0. This y coordinate, 1 times 2 is 2. So this one's going to be the same. This one's going to go up to the point 2, 2. So this point is the same. That goes up to 2, 2. So your final answer is the green line there. Your final answer for number 70. Your assignment, 42 to 72, 3N. Okay, and to help you out on one of them, I forget which one it is, we need to look at, well, let's see. Log of 1 is 0. So log base 10 of 1 is 0. Log base 10 of 10 is 1. Log base 10 of 100 is 2. And so on and so forth. So log of 0.1 would be -1. And that chart would go in both directions. You can use that chart to help you on a couple of these problems. Remember, if there's no base in the log, it means log base 10. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you on that. But that's a helpful hint there for you to help you out with a couple of your problems there. So go ahead and try this out.